Traders, this will be a live recording, live day trading. Right now I'm watching SRPT and ticker symbol Adobe. So these are my two watches right now. As of now, Adobe got rejected by its previous pre-market resistance. And SRPT bounced off its support. We're gonna give it a second and not chase anything. Even though a lot of good moves are happening. Adobe went about 4 points up. SRPT creating a consolidation over VWAP. Looks good for a long. It's kind of failing. Hopefully we can see buyers in control and push this up. The SPY's going down. The SPY's dropping. Adobe. SRPT looks good. I'm gonna jump in for a quick scalp. 93s, 94s on the tape, so buyers are moving up a little. No. I'm gonna enter SRPT long. Oh, I had freaking 50-cent spread. Alright, now we're looking for a breakout. A breakout of previous resistance. Can we get it? Alright, we got it. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, we're just gonna sell it all. Okay, so now my analysis on this trade was it pushed up, got a rejection, created a consolidation. I was looking for a breakout, almost a 3-bar play. Created a rejection, a false breakdown. Came back to the upside, push above VWAP, broke out. And now I'm probably looking for another trade on this. That was a fantastic trade because I was down $60, so I made like 120 on that trade. I made a little more than 2 points. So now we're gonna be risking about 10 shares or 20 shares. I'm We're gonna look for an entry over 132.44. It's trying to push to the downside. It's creating a rejection to the downside. It's trying to push up. Oh, third candle just opened up lower. That's not pretty. Adobe. Adobe doesn't look perfect. I would take it, but all right. SRPT trying to push up. I think we could get a 4-bar play, but we're just gonna wait to see what happens and not guess. Gonna be patient. Yeah, Adobe's pushing up. Adobe's pushing up. No, it's creating rejection. It got rejection twice. It's not good to go long right now. It's not the safest stock. Oh my god. Shopify. Shopify was a stock I had to watch. Um, right now it's freaking. It's gone up like 6 points. Oh, Tesla. Tesla looks like it's flagging. I might take Tesla long. Oh, it's been up. It's up about $3 right now. I'm taking Tesla long for a quick scalp. Under 35 cents, I'm out. Okay. 35 cents. I was risking about. Yeah, okay. Sounds good. Um, Tesla. Oh, wait. 13 shares. Damn, I let all my freaking profit go. Oh my god. What was I doing there? Okay, SRPT. Damn, I let my freaking scalp go. Jeez, it's terrible. I wanted to. You know what this could be? Let's see. Yeah, that looks good. Bounce off VWAP, maybe a push up and over. We're just gonna take 10 shares. Let's see. We got 25 seconds till the next candle. 10 seconds. So what's the resistance? 42 cents, roughly 42 cents. Stocks are going down. Okay, next candle. SRPT. Oh yeah, there we go. So SRPT is in an uptrend. It's holding its pre-market support. Well, it's trying to at least. As you can see, it's like a descending wedge, so I don't really want to get in with too many shares. I don't want to risk having a breakdown. So if it can get over its previous resistance and show me some bullish confirmation too. If it can go over its previous resistance, I'll look into get in. I'll look to get in. Hmm. What's this resist? High 130.89. I'm taking it long. Yep, it's breaking out. Stop loss. Here, let's move my stop since this isn't really gonna be a scalp. 129.60. Stop. There we go. So now we got my stop loss entered. Looking for a breakout of the previous resistance, not now, maybe a pullback and then a continuation. But we'll be holding this for a good bit. With an anticipation that it'll move to the upside. Oof. It's dropped pretty bad actually. Not even gonna lie. But we're gonna stick to plan. Adobe. Adobe creating tight consolidation. Adobe. AD. ADPE. Let's check 2 minute candle. Alright, nice consolidation. It's bouncing on VWAP. It's like creating like a cup. Looks like somewhat like of a cup. Um, um, the Adobe looks good. The market's pushing up. The market's kind of like trending in a trending fashion, like SRPT is doing something like this. SRPT doing pretty well for us. 130.88. And then my stop loss was 57, I think, right? 57, so I'm risking a little more than $1.30. Right now we're up more than $1, but now it's pulling back. Still in an uptrend. I'm gonna start moving my stop up in a little bit, right above VWAP maybe. 130. We'll move it to 129.80s just to be safe. And then the more it pushes up, we're gonna raise our stop. Oh, missed Adobe. Missed Adobe. Oh man, my hands are cold. So we're gonna do some further analysis while we're trading this stock. So it created a resistance to the downside, pushed up, created a support to the downside, created a resistance to the upside, pulled back. VWAP was acting as support, took a long. Now we're looking for this resistance to break out. I'm gonna move my stop up to 130, 129.97. So it's gonna be about there. I think that seems pretty fair. Um, I'm up about 2 points right now. It's filling its upside. It does have a pre-market resistance at 134, so I might take some shares off. 134. All right, there we locked in some profit. Now our stop is gonna be, where was it at before? 129.97. Um, we'll move it to this support right here. It's having a pullback, so we'll just 130.36. One 131.12. All right, it is 131. So 5 shares, boom. So, okay, so we got 2 points on SRBT. Um, today has been a good day so far. Oh no, SRPT, SRPT. All right, this is good. A pullback, nice. Hopefully, it just doesn't take off our stop. We want to make sure we lock in profit, so it doesn't matter if it does take us out, cause we're only gonna let it go so much against us that we can't handle it no more. Okay, so look on SRPT. Okay, so this previous resistance, as you can see, is acting now like a support line. So it went over, it got rejected, and now it's trying to continue to the upside. As you can see, it's like created 2 wicks, couldn't hold under, and now it looks like it wants to continue to the upside. Now, if it doesn't, we have our stop loss ready. If we can get it, yeah, if we can get a move up, nice. 132.22. So we will be moving my stop up. Here, let me move some lines. This is a little confusing. 130. Boom. Alright. If we can see a breakout of this, I will be moving my stop up to here. If not, we're gonna just keep it down here. Previous resistance, a little under the resistance, as you can see. Then it became a support. I don't think it'll test it right now. It might if it wants to, and it takes us out, fine. If it doesn't, cool. Alright, so like I said earlier, SRPT does have a resistance at 134. That was a pre-market resistance. It tried to break over once, and it failed. And yep, that's it. We'll see if it gets over, and if not, if it has a change in direction, we'll play it from there. We're not gonna be chasing today. We're not gonna be doing no chasing today. So I will be moving my stop up. I think low. What's the low of this candle? 131.70s. So we're just gonna keep moving our stop gradually, locking in profit. Now, if this does squeeze, I will be moving my stop up to here and eventually up here. That's my plan. But if it does take us out, fine. If it doesn't, fine. And yep, you look at this, it's creating a big resistance. It's having trouble. It just got a new candle that opened above. We're gonna be reading the level 2 right now. So, alright, so we're looking at the ask. We want to see where the ask is going. So the ask is pulling back. The bid is staying over 131. We want to see this stock stay over this line at least. This. Where do I have my stop at? 130, 170. Yeah, that's fine. It might take us out. Cold, my bad. If you can hear that. um, yeah, look. Resistance, acting as resistance. Tried getting over 134, got rejected. Boom, created a resistance at 132.50. Created like a, not a cup and handle, but created like a formation to the upside. Now it's looking like, let's see. Hopefully we can get another candle. We have a minute 30 till the next candle. Our stop is here. So we'll move my stop line right here just to show it visually for you guys. So it's roughly there. Okay, so SRPT pushing down as of now. Um and it just created a new candle. Adobe is like Adobe's creating like not a flag but a wedge to the upside. I haven't really traded wedges like this. Don't have too much experience in it, so I think I might pass on the move or whatever it might do. So SRPT did try to push down, still having its rejection candles. Hopefully we see a continuation of this move. Tesla trending down. All right, so we're getting our push on SRPT. As you can see, Tesla pushing down, got rejected by VWAP, had a continuation to the downside. So after this move, I do want to raise my stop up to I would like to raise it 132.25. Stop 132. Wow, look, it had a false breakout to the upside. I'm still gonna move my stop up because if this is a false breakout, I do not wanna give away too much profits. I wanna make sure I lock it in, lock it in, lock it in. No, we just wanna see it hold over 134s. It has another pre-market resistance at 138. We just want to see it stay over. It looks super bullish on the 180-day candle. It tried to push up. It 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 tried to push down, and now it's pushing up. Cause yeah, cause yeah, cause yeah. That's funny. SRPT creating a tight consolidation. Looks like it's gonna go for another push. And it is. You know what? There kind of isn't any reason to, but I just kind of want to take shares off. What? I I clicked 3/4 button. Now it's about to break out. Oh man. Oh man. Oh, that's terrible. All right, so Adobe. So Adobe had like a bounce off of VWAP. It came, bounced off VWAP again, and now it's pushing up to the upside. Oh man, I'm kind of bummed out actually. Oh, that's terrible. And you know what? SRPT got rejected by its exact pre-market resistance, 135. Its next pre-market resistance. Oh, dude, this looks like a beauty. I think I will be adding the 5 shares back over 135. And we got 30 seconds to the next candle. It's looking really nice. It created its resistance. It tried to move to the downside. 25. So 10. If it goes down 25 cents, that's $2.50. $2.50 risk. um, SRBT created another rejection. Yeah, it had its new candle. Tesla. I didn't even see Tesla. But look, it created like a 3 bar play. Oh, Shopify. Oh my Shopify. Oh, no wonder I put it on my watch list. We're gonna check out Shopify real quick. Look at this. Okay. SRBT has its support right here, its resistance right here. It's in trading in a tight consolidation at its previous resistance. Its previous resistance is now acting as support. I might take it long, I might not. We'll see. But look at this. One 370s to 383s. This thing's going parabolic. Wow. Um, you know what? I don't think I'm gonna take SRPT. It's already got rejected twice. It does look beautiful, but I think I'm gonna skip out on this trade, even though it might freaking blast off. Look, you see, there's some sellers at 135. It most likely will go over, but let's see. The bid's just getting absorbed, and it jumped 60 cents. I freaking sold my shares, dude. It's just gone up 2 points from that move. The bid is looks good. The bid looks good. It's been 30 minutes. It's now 10:01. I think that's gonna conclude my live stream video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys found this helpful. I hope you learned something from my process and processy. Um, unfortunately, we did miss out on this, but you know, it's okay. It's all good. It's all good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.